This is a do-it-yourself technique that Dr. Perrin recommends for patients if the cranial flow could do with a little extra help, usually in the later stages of the treatment programme. Initially, it may be too much too soon. It should only be done by patients at the beginning of therapy if they cannot access the actual Perrin technique treatment with a licensed Perrin technique practitioner. You, the patient, should experiment with a paperback book or books placed under the back of your head until the most comfortable angle is achieved. You should lie on a yoga mat or a duvet placed on the floor so the ground is firm but not too hard, in a semi-supine position, on your back with knees bent. The active headrest should be completed for about 10 to 15 minutes at night, preferably after the self-massage routine, just before going to sleep. One of the principles in osteopathy is comfort governs function, which basically means that if the body is in the most comfortable position, it will function better. So if the head is positioned in the most comfortable position, then the cranial flow, also known as the neuro-lymphatic drainage from the brain, will improve. If you do not find any suitable book that you feel comfortable with, then this exercise should not be carried out, as it will probably worsen the condition. It only works if it feels comfortable. Remember, comfort governs function.